Mentally, I'm ready for Japan, but physically, I am not. So we have to hit the gym and work on getting all our steps in. Most people say that you have to take at least 10,000 steps a day when you're in Japan. And let me tell you guys, we are not ready. After the gym, we headed back home where Abby made us breakfast. And then Abby decided to go ahead and listen to an audiobook while she sipped on some coffee. And Ava decided to go ahead and tackle this 300-piece puzzle. This was her first time doing a puzzle this large. It took her roughly about 2 hours, but she absolutely got it done all by herself while Abby sat there and listened to her audiobook. It's summertime, so they are free to kind of do whatever they want. But Abby got a little bit inspired by Ava, so she decided to do a puzzle of her own. If this is your first time here, hi and welcome. My name is Angela, and I make homeschool content with my two beautiful daughters, Ava and Abby. And we are gearing up to knock out a bunch of summer field trips and road trips. So if you're interested in that, be sure to follow us for more. Here's Abby making us dinner. For dinner, she decides she's going to make us grilled chicken tacos. Abby is my 9-year-old daughter, and even though she's been cooking for a few years now, she's still not that comfortable. She's still kind of scared of doing certain things. So Ava was kind of there watching over her and helping her out as needed. Like I said, she's making grilled chicken, and then she's going to also make tortillas. One of the good things about our RV resort is that twice a month they have a food truck that actually comes here where we can buy certain items. And today I'm deciding to go ahead and buy some nachos to go with our tacos that you guys see her making here. In our homeschool, I'm really big on hands-on learning, so my daughters tackle tasks throughout the day, whether it's cooking, cleaning, organizing, whatever the task may be. They take a full share of that because when they leave my house, I want them to have the ability to take care of themselves and their household, and the only way they're going to be able to do that is if they're practiced here at home first. You guys, here's the nachos that I went ahead and got from the food truck I was telling you guys about. It has chicken, peppers, crema, nacho cheese sauce. I forgot a few extra things, but it was really tasty. I spent about $12, I want to say, on these nachos, and it was definitely worth the price because my entire family of four, we all had some. Like, we literally all had some, and it was a good portion to where there was actually some even left over after we all ate. And here is the final product. So this is how our plate was looking. We have the tortillas, the grilled chicken. Ava had made some guacamole on the side. And then we also had the nachos that had avocado on top. And when Abby tried out her food, she was like, it was really good. And I am so happy that my daughter at 9 years old knows how to throw down. Because let me tell you guys, when I got married, I did not know how to cook. When I tell you guys, I didn't know how to make eggs, nothing. My mom did all the cooking and she took pride in that. But she didn't really, even though she cooked in front of us, she really didn't teach me how step by step. So I never really learned until after I was married. And obviously I went better for my girls.